Hey guys, so today in this video I am doing a cleaning video for you guys. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoy them because I know I do. And yeah, so let's just get started. I am going to start with my bed. My bed, it is a disaster. I feel like if I clean this first, then it'll turn out better and it'll just look nicer. So that's where I'm gonna go first. So time lapse, commence right now. Okay, so I said that I was gonna make my bed, but then as I was like trying to make it, I realized how dirty all of my bedding was. So I think I'm gonna wash it and then I will make my bed. So yes, this is the mess I'm going to deal with next, and then we will move on to something else. So let's start the time lapse, starting now. This is the part that I'm going to clean next. Okay, so this is the next thing I'm going to do. Thought I was done with my bed, didn't you? Okay, so I have a bunch of clothes to put away because I am lazy and I don't put the clothes that I wore away. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so my room is like 90% done. I just need to make my bed, pick up a couple other things on the floor, and then we should be good to go. But I need to go to work now, so I will catch you guys when I come back. Hey guys, so I just realized that I never showed you the after of my room because I just left on vacation and then I came back and then I didn't have time to film the after, but here it is. So yeah, here's the after. Oh, before I show you the after, let's look back at the before. And now, here is the after. Okay guys, that is the after. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more cleaning videos, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and I will check you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget that you are not alone and to share your story because you never know who you're going to help. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!